In this video, we're going to look at my 3 ultimate hacks to clean your leather products, to protect them, and most importantly, not lose that beautiful aging patina while you're doing all these processes. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. G'day throttlers, welcome back to the channel. If like me, you like your leather when it comes to riding motorcycles, whether it's your jacket, your boots, your belt, your gloves, whatever it might be, we love leather and it's the perfect accompaniment to the motorcycle culture. But we also love when leather ages because it molds to your body, it becomes beautiful and soft and supple, and it ages with a beautiful patina. So just before I get into my 3 hacks on how to clean and protect your leather goods without losing the patina, we need to talk about long-term maintenance, in particular storage. So when you get back in on a ride, whether it's been maybe a hot summer's ride and you've been sweating inside your gear, or you've been caught in the rain or snow, the most important thing is to store your leather gear in a cool, well-ventilated space at all times. So your boots, nice ventilated area to pop them in particular your jackets. So with your jackets, be sure to store them on a coat hanger that has a wide shoulder plate. So as you hang it up, the jacket actually sits with circulating air right around it. It'll make sure that it's able to dry properly and ventilate. It won't get moldy and it'll give you plenty of love for many, many years to come. Okay, so let's dig into my 3 hacks on how to clean and protect the leather without losing the patina. Step number 1 is cleaning your leather. Now I've got my Falco aviator boots here. These are my favorite boots and they've already got a beautiful aged look to them. I absolutely love them. So what I don't want is to put like a colored boot polish on this and make them all shiny and protect them, but then to lose this beautiful patina that's been allowed to develop over time. So this is how we do it. Step number 1. The cleaning process. Now there's so many products on the market for leather cleaning and a lot of them are chemical based, and to be honest, in general, they're not that necessary. So to start off with, microfiber towel. You use distilled water. Now wet the towel slightly with distilled water. Don't use your tap water because in many parts around the world there's a high mineral content in your tap water which will stain or mark the leather itself. So just with the distilled water, slightly wet, just simply rub your boots all over. It's really, really simple. It's that simple in fact. Now there are times in leather where you might find a stain, whether it be an oil stain from your motorbike, whether it be a food stain, whatever it might be, and distilled water is just not going to get it out. Now in that circumstance, the best thing you can do is find saddle soap, and saddle soap used diluted on a stain more than likely will get all of your stains out of your leather in particular. Now, if even the saddle soap does not work, it's important to find someone who specializes in leather cleaning. Don't use any other chemicals. You'll ruin your leather if you make a mistake. Get someone who knows what they're doing, pay the money, save your leather, do the right thing. Now step number 2 is to find a nice natural leather balm. Now I choose to use the Filthy Leather Co. leather balm, made just down the road in Shell Harbour. I know the bloke that makes it. In fact, you guys have met him too if you watch the channel. Filthy Phil from Filthy Leather. This is the ultimate leather balm to look after your leather products. So quite simply, you use a small amount of leather balm on a microfiber towel, rub it around. Now because it's natural and at room temperature it hardens a bit, so you might need to use a little bit of elbow grease to get it out. Take your leather item, in this case it's my Falco aviator boots, and just make sure you lightly cover the whole boot with the leather balm. So the boot's covered in leather balm. It's come up really shiny, it hasn't lost its patina and the beautiful aging process that has occurred. So we're coming into step 3, and to be honest, step 3 is one of the most enjoyable steps out of all of them. Stand by. Step 3 is Go and make yourself a cup of coffee, grab yourself a beer, or in my case, a Bundaberg ginger beer. Ah, yeah. Wait for 1 hour and recoat after 1 hour. Once it's set, you'll be able to put a second coat on if you think it needs it. Other than that, wait 24 hours before you take this out into the elements. Just let it set and go off and make sure that the coating is sealed and beautiful into the leather. And then you're ready to go out and munch some more miles on your chosen machine. So that's how you clean, protect and restore your leather goods without losing the patina and that beautiful aging. Whew, pretty easy, hey? Now I do recommend you do this 2 to 3 times a year. You want to make sure the leather's still protected while it's aging gracefully, not disgracefully. Now there's plenty of leather products out there for you to be able to use, no doubt about it. But if you'd like to use the one that I choose, Filthy Leather Co. Leather Balm, there'll be a link in the description below and you can grab your hands on this. This is only $15 for this tin, and this tin's gonna last you years and years and years. Anyway folks, thanks again for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Throttle on, stay safe, stick around to the end of the video because I've got a friend I want you to meet.
Yo, what up? I'm the VS Chick, this is Rebel Rider, and this is not our channel, but you should come and check our channel out. I ride a Vulcan S650 and you ride a
Honda Rebel 500.
We do like videos on like modifications, on camping, on tips, on just generally being idiots. We have a lot of fun and maybe you would have fun too. Come check us out. Peace.